Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying hardware and permissions so the rest of the fixes make sense. First, open Windows Sound and set your mic as the default input. Test it so you know it's sending audio. Once done, allow microphone access for apps and turn off exclusive mode. That prevents one app from locking the device. Then run Fivem as administrator and temporarily close overlay or capture apps like Discord or OBS because they commonly intercept voice and cause Fivem to never receive audio. Next, you dig into both the game and system layers to fix more complex causes. Open Fivem voice options and confirm the correct input device, whether push-to-talk or voice activity is selected, and that proximity is reasonable. Servers can set it low. Make sure your audio drivers are up to date or reinstall them, and restart the Windows audio service to clear stuck sessions. If the server uses Mumble VoIP or TalkAVoIP, ensure the client resource is installed and that your client settings match the server's voice channel and sample rate. Finally, you complete verification and prepare for escalation if needed. Join a test channel or use Server Voice Debug and watch the F8 console for plugin or audio device errors. That points to mismatches. Clear Fivem cache, and if problems persist, reinstall the client and collect logs to show an admin. If nothing works, check firewall and port rules or any software that may mute your microphone. One troubleshooting tip: make sure another app isn't using exclusive mode on the mic. Disabling it often restores Fivem voice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.